Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video, I'll talk about equivalent ratios. How we can determine that the two ratios or the two rates are equivalent or not. So for the first question, we need to determine whether the two rates are equivalent or not. So question number 1, 20 miles in 5 hours or 45 miles in 9 hours. To solve this problem, we'll write it as a fraction. We have here 20 miles for each 5 hours and we have here 45 miles for each 9 hours. We can solve it with two ways. Number 1, we need to simplify. If you simplify 20 divided by 5, it will be 4. So we have here 4 miles for each 1 hour. Or we can say that 45 divided by 9 equals 5. So it will be 5 miles for each 1 hour. If you look at the simplest form for the first one, the simplest form of the second one, they are not equal. So the two ratios now are not equivalent. It means we need to find the unit rate of the first one and the unit rate of the second one and to check if they are equal or not. We can find if they are equal or not equal by using another way, by using cross multiplication. I will start from down to up. Then 5 multiplied by 45. 5 times 5 equal 25 and carry up 2. We have 5 times 4 equal 20 plus 2 equal 22. So the first one will be 225. Then 9 multiplied by 20. 9 times 20 equals 180. If you compare between the two numbers, you will find that they are not equal. To be equal, the first number and the second number must be equal. So we have here not equivalent rates. The first one is not equal to the second. So we can find if they are equivalent or not by using two ways. The first way by using the unit rate. The second way by using cross multiplication. For the first one, if the unit rates are equal, so we have equivalent ratios or equivalent rates. But for the second one, if the cross multiplication, if you start from down then going up, from 5 times 45, if that's equal to 9 times 20. If they are equal, so we have equivalent rates. If they are not equal, so the two rates are not equal. For question number 2, we have 3 t-shirts for $21 and 5 t-shirts for $35. If you need to write the unit rate or you need to write the rates, you will start by using how many dollars per t-shirt, the cost per one t-shirt. So I will start writing here $21 for each 3 t-shirts. And the second one we have here $35 for each 5 t-shirts. We need to write the unit rate of each one of them. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. So it will be $7 for each one t-shirt. And the second one, 35 divided by 5 equals 7. So it will be $7 for each one t-shirt. You will find that the unit rate of the first one and the unit rate of the second one are the same. So we have here equal ratios. You can find it with another way. That is the first way by using the unit rate. It's not necessary to find by the two ways. You can choose which one that's easy for you. Now we can say that 3 multiplied by 35. 3 times 35 equals 105. 5 times 21. 5 times 21 equals 105. If you look at the two numbers, you will find that they are the same. So we have equivalent rates. If the two numbers are the same, so it means the two rates are equal. If the two numbers are not the same, it means the two rates are not equal. So we can find it by using cross multiplication or we can find it by using the unit rates. In question number 3, we have 36 t-shirts in 3 boxes and 60 t-shirts in 6 boxes. We need to find if they are equal rates or not. So we need to find how many t-shirts for each box. So we'll divide here 36 t-shirts divided by 3 boxes. And the second one will be 60 t-shirts for 6 boxes. Now by dividing, 36 divided by 3 equals to 12. It means for each one box, we have 12 t-shirts. And for the second one, 60 divided by 6 equals 10. So we have 10 t-shirts for each box. If you look at the two numbers or the two unit rates, they are not equal. It means the two rates are not equivalent. So we can find it by using the unit rate or by using cross multiplication. And that's how we can find if the two ratios or the two rates are equivalent or not.